Hello, so we want to find the derivative of this, y equal to x plus 3 squared. So find the dy dx. So how do we solve this? We can actually use any of these basic rules. Maybe you can use chain rule, right? You can use chain rule because we are having power here. All this power 2. We can also use product rule, right? Because this is coming 2 times. So if you have this thing 2 times, you use one as your u and the other one as our v and differentiate. Then what again? You can actually expand. Once you are able to expand this, you now use the basic sum and difference rule. So the basic addition, subtraction, normal rule, right? Look at what I mean. Now, in fact, let's use the 3 methods to solve this. Let's start from, so which one should we start from? Okay, maybe let's start from the product rule. So if you have this is the same thing as, this is the same thing as what? X plus 3. X plus 3. Right? Let me write it product rule. Product rule. Right? So this is our u and this is our v. Remember, the product rule says that if you have dy dx is equal to, this is formula for the product rule. Keep u, differentiate v with respect to what? S. Plus keep v, differentiate u with respect to what? X. Alright? As simple as that. What's our u? This is our u, this is our v. This is equal to dy dx is equal to, keep this u now, x plus 3. Differentiate this with respect to x. If you differentiate this, you have what? 1. Plus, keep v. Differentiate this with respect to x, also have 1. Right? So this is equal to dy dx equal to x plus 3 plus x plus 3, which is equal to dy dx equal to, this plus this will give you what? 2x plus 3 times plus 3 will give you 6. As simple as that. So this is the product rule. What about the next rule? What do you call it? Chain rule. What about chain rule? So to solve this using chain rule, from this now, let me write it out again. X plus 3. You call this our u. You say let u equal to x plus 3. This. Hence, our du dx. Now differentiating this u with respect to x will give you what? 1. Alright? Hence, our y is equal to u squared. Our y is equal to u squared. Because the whole of what we have here is our u. This is our u. You now substitute u for what? X plus 3 squared. Right now, if you differentiate y with respect to u, what do you have? You have 2u. Right? We have 2u. Now look at what we are doing. You are using the power rule. We are applying the natural power rule of differentiation. We say that given y equal to, what do you call it? xn. dy dx is equal to n x power n minus 1. So this square now will now multiply the base and you subtract 1. 2 minus 1 will give you 1. So there is invisible 1 here. But you know mathematically you don't write u power 1. Right? So the formula for chain rule is dy dx is equal to dy over du times du over dx. Right? Hence, dy over dx equal to, what's our dy du? Dy du is this. 2u times, what's our du dx? Du dx is what? du dx is 1 times 1. This is equal to 2u. But recall that u is something. What is our u? Our u is this. Our u is x plus 3. Right? You now substitute the value of u, bring it back here. Hence, our dy dx is equal to 2u. You now bring back the u here. The value of u, which is this. You now expand. This is what? Dy dx is equal to 2x. This times this times this. 6. Right? Good. So the last method is the normal basic, what do you call it? Addition and, okay, sum and difference rule. You know, sum is addition, right? Difference is subtraction. So, sum and difference rule. Sum and difference rule. Right? So, if we expand this, you have x plus 3, x plus 3. First of all, how do you expand? First to second. You use x to multiply x, use x to multiply 3. You use 3 to multiply x, use 3 to multiply 3. Is that clear? Now look at this. This is equal to x into this, x plus 3, plus 3 into this again, plus 3. This is equal to, this time this will give you what? X squared. Plus this time this will give you what? Plus 3x. The same thing here will give you what? Plus 3x. This time this, 3 times 3 will give you what? 9. Remember, this is your y. We're only trying to break this down. So from this now, the dy dx is equal to, but first of all, let's break this thing further. We have 3x, that means 6x. So x squared plus 6x plus 9. So we want to differentiate this. Now we solve this. We solve this using our normal power rule. So here we have 2x plus 6 plus 0, which is equal to what? 2x plus 6 anywhere. Because this is a constant. When you differentiate the constant, you get 0. So which one is the easiest? Which of the rule is the easiest among the three? Right? So just tell me in the comment section. Thank you.